We are getting ready for our 4th of July party with a phenomenal dessert or multiple desserts for you to consider making for your guest. We welcome in Janine Washle from Cloverfield's Farm and Kitchen. Good morning, Janine.
Good morning. I think you're going to love these. I've got 2 no-bake ideas and one that requires a little bit of baking and a twist on s'mores. But let's get right down to it.
Okay.
If I don't have to turn on the oven in the summertime,
that's a good thing.
I am thrilled. And this is so spectacular, and basically it's only 3 ingredients.
So this is a no-bake cake?
It is. It's a no-bake cookie cake.
Gotcha.
So we've got these crisp cookies. You can use shortbread cookies, or in this case I'm using a butter cookie. And we're just going to put this down into our pan that we've lined with a little bit of saran wrap. And you can just layer these cookies. We'll just put that's all you do is just layer them in there.
Okay.
And then we're going to come in with Cool Whip. There's no shame in my game. I mean, I'll use the Cool Whip. I love the flavor of it.
It's so good.
Vanilla flavored.
It's easy.
Light and fluffy. But if you want to whip cream, you certainly can.
Okay.
And then come in with some whipped cream.
Alrighty.
So we'll put down our cookies, and then we'll come in with the whipped cream just like that. See how easy it is?
I'm not going to cover it all. I'm just going
to
cover the corner there.
Yeah,
and
just
you can
like
help
that.
me out.
Okay, no problem. And then you just come in like this. The first layer is a little bit tricky because the cookies are a little bit loose, but it gets easier and easier as you go on. And I'm just going to do part of it. You would want to finish this off.
Right.
And then you come in with your blueberries.
Okay.
And we're going to make the layers twice more. So we're going to go in with our cookies again, with our Cool Whip again, and then we're going to hit it with strawberries, and then we're going to do cookies again, whipped cream, and then we're going to let it set overnight.
Overnight, okay.
Yeah.
Put it in the refrigerator.
And then what happens is that all of these cookies that are so crispy are actually going to soften up from the moisture from the fruit and the Cool Whip.
That sounds great.
And then what you do is you take your pan and you turn it out on a big, platter, and then you frost it and you decorate it like a flag.
This is something you would see on Instagram. It is so pretty, but it is so good to eat as well.
It is completely Instagrammable. I mean, this is a perfect Instagram-worthy dessert. We've also got a tiramisu, which again is a little fancier, but it's no-bake as well. We're using champagne cookies and a cream cheese mascarpone mixture inside, and then fresh berries. So we've got 2 Instagram-worthy desserts for your picnics.
What do you have over here?
Well, now this, I'm so proud of this. 2 ingredients, crescent sheets and strawberry jam, blueberry pie filling or apple pie filling, and you can make your own homemade Pop-Tarts. And if you aren't into the fruit flavors and whatever, how about some s'mores chocolate chip cookies?
Well,
mini marshmallows. Check these out. I think,
can you hand me one of those?
Hey, how about it?
I need a
mini marshmallows.
Look at that.
Graham flour batter and semi-sweet chocolate chips. What do you think?
Very good.
It's like a campfire on the plate, isn't it?
I mean, really good, Janine.
Thank you.
Yes.
I think these are so yummy, and I hope that you all will take an opportunity to make at least one of them.
Absolutely. You can find more information on Janine Washle on our website. That's wdrb.com. You can send her some information. She'll send you recipes.